security tightened in Hongasandra. Nobody is allowed to enter or exit the area. ASHA workers conduct health survey in the area. 14 people infected with patient number 419 in Bengaluru on Thursday. 185 primary and secondary contacts also quarantined. The health officials are trying to trace more secondary contacts. All the shops and establishments have been shut in the area. In just a single day, Bengaluru has reported 10 COVID-19 positive cases. What is alarming is that 9 of these 10 cases have been reported from Hongasandra in Bengaluru. Now, security has been beefed up in Hongasandra. Nobody really is allowed to enter or exit the area while the ASHA workers continue with the health survey. All the 9 individuals are primary contacts of patient number 419, who is a 54-year-old migrant worker from Bihar. The residents also now panic-stricken as the news is out that there are several positive cases that have been reported from that particular area, from this particular area in fact, and all of these people have been infected with COVID-19 from patient number 419. Beg your pardon, total of 14 people have been infected with patient number 419 and not 9 in Bengaluru on Thursday. 185 primary and secondary contacts have been quarantined. The BBMP and health officials in action. They have already started identifying the primary and secondary contacts of all of those people who have been identified as the secondary or the primary contacts. Do remember that the person used to work, in fact, he is a 54-year-old migrant worker from Bihar who used to work in Hongasandra of Bengaluru. He has infected 14 people so far, and the health department officials now trying to figure out how many more people had come in contact with the person who has now tested positive. Those people also either need to be quarantined or kept in isolation.